It's a great day. It's a great day. Today is the 5th of June 2025, and you know what day it is. It's finally time. I made a video last week talking about how the Switch was, particularly for my situation, and now it's June 5th. It's 5 years later, and now we have the Switch 2. But now you're looking at, wait, where exactly is the Switch 2 right now? Well, wait for it. Look at this bad boy. Look at this bad. No, sorry. Look at this bad girl. No, my switch is a missus. My switch is a missus. But just look at her, man. Just look at her. Oh man. Yeah, and I also obviously got the Mario Kart World bundle as well. So you know how it is. So okay. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to just jump into the video. We're going to do an unboxing, see what's up. I'm probably not going to. I'm probably going to make another video comparing the Switch to the Switch 2, but I'm just super excited. You know, it's been a long day at work, but I don't give a shit right now, bro. Everything I think about right now is this beauty, baby. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to change. I'm going to change the scene right now and to show the unboxing. If you know how long it took for me to actually set this up, boys, girls, you would have no idea. And there we have the Switch 2 in its glory. Man, it's been a while. It's been a while since I did another unboxing. And this console actually came in. Oh, I don't forget to tell you guys. I also got the micro SD Express, the 256 one, you know, because you just have to be sure. You need to be aware of all the things you have on your console. So yeah, I'm just saying shit right now because I'm just excited. I'm so happy, bro. Okay, so it's been a while since I don't think I've ever actually gotten a console on launch. I've always get my consoles probably maybe months or maybe potentially years after. So this is like the very first console I'm getting on launch. And then, oof, look at it. Look at it. Nintendo Switch 2. God damn, this is beautiful. I'm so happy, man. And obviously we have the unboxing. I mean, hey, if you're a dud, obviously it shows you how to start, but you already have a Switch 1, so clearly you clearly know how to do this by now. So let's open it. Oh man. Oh, just look at this. Oh, just look at this. Switch Joy-Cons. Oh, this feels nice. It's definitely heavier. It's definitely. Oh, okay. The sticks are definitely way more tight. They're tighter for sure. I like the accentation of the colors on this. Oh man, this feels good. It looks good. It feels well. Plays well. Let's see if I can show you guys how it looks. Yeah, just look at that bad boy. That matte black, blue, matte orange, blue. Yeah, it's looking nice. And then let's look at the actual Switch console. Holy, this is heavy. This is definitely heavier than the Switch. This is bigger. It's like a massive iPad. Ooh. Hey, guys, I'm broke though. Oh man. This is hella big. It's thick though, that's for sure. And then even with this console, right? I'm trying to even think about like just the whole magnetic, I said the magnetic mechanics. So if I do this. Oh, did you hear that? And if I do this. Oh, yes. Yeah, this is a big boy. This is massive. Holy, this looks like an iPod. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell from the screen, especially if you haven't gotten yours or you're not probably getting yours maybe day one, maybe year one or year two. But this console is massive. You can only imagine how the OLED, because you know there's definitely going to be an OLED model, that's for sure. You can only tell just how big is wide, which makes more sense because it's easier for you to play in tabletop mode or portable mode. And then just look at it, just beautiful, man. Nintendo Switch 2. Isn't she a beauty? This is amazing. This is incredible. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so we have the Switch. Switch is there. Let's look at the other things. So I know in here we have the Mario Karts. So we obviously have Mario Karts. This is obviously Mario Kart, but obviously this is the... Hey, here's the code. Go install it. Go install Mario Kart. I'm giving you guys Mario Kart World Tour for free, or Mario Kart World for free. Yeah, right. But yeah, we obviously have a number of things. So like the manuals. Obviously, you have the HDMI cable. You have the, what do you call it? The Switch wrists bands or something. Never used the Switch 1's one. I had this, but just never used it anyways. Okay, so that's it for that. Let's see. Obviously, we have the AC adapter, which is big. It's as big as the one I have. So I have an Anchor adapter for my iPhone, but this is just as big. I wonder how many watts this does. Obviously, have the USB Type-C. It's Type-C. Hey, if you're not USB Type-C, you're dulling. Okay, let's see. We obviously have the grip for the Switch 2, which, to be fair, I did use the Nintendo Switch's own for a very long time. I used that for a while. I'm not even going to lie. Let me see how it even fits. So, and then even trying to remove the grip, guys, moving the grip is impossible unless you. So there's a button right here that you touch, and that, even like this, makes it easy for you to remove. So like this, all that, and then good to go. Yeah. So let's see. Let's try putting this here. Snaps in and snaps in, and yeah, this is incredible. This is incredible, guys. I feel so happy. Like, after the week I've had, this is like one of the best things about this week. I was looking forward to this, and just all the game announcements. Did you guys even see the PlayStation State of Play yesterday? Did you see the Marvel Fighters game, or Marvel Tokon Fights? Did you see that game? God damn, it's a great day to be a gamer. It's a great week to be a gamer. And now, without further ado, let's look at the dock. Nintendo Switch 2, all in mattes, and then within it is glossy. It is, I would have expected this to be more, I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's very flippy. I expected this to be more solid or whatever. And so obviously you have your USB cables, and then the back, you obviously have your connections to your HDMI in all its full glory. It's looking amazing, guys. This is a big deck. It's too wide. It's too big. It won't fit, but I get it in. Shout out to you if you actually know where that song is from. If you know the name of the song, put the title of the song in the comment section down below. Yeah, I can't even talk right now, guys, because I'm so happy. I am so happy. Like, oh, this is amazing. This is incredible. It's incredible. Let me switch over to ISO mode. This is incredible, guys. Like I said, you have no idea what week I've had, and it's just great to be a console gamer. It's amazing being a console gamer right now. It's amazing just being a gamer and who enjoys games. As much as it's easy to just talk about all the negatives about the gaming industry, Sony came clutch with the State of Play yesterday that I really enjoyed. I didn't think I would enjoy it as much, but I did. But then here you go. Here is the Nintendo Switch 2 in all its glory. This is crazy. You know what? Let me go bring the Nintendo Switch 1. Let's go bring the Switch 1 back. So I have the version 2 Switch 1. So this is not like the original launch version that came out. This is like the version 2. Let's see. let me clear my table. Show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so wow, that is massive. Holy, that's a big difference, guys. What the actual flip? I knew it was big, but golly, just look at this. Oh my days. I mean, yes, this was dated. This was an incredible console, but wow, this is like, I mean, this feels premium. This feels like a Nintendo Switch Pro, which I think is just an iteration of Nintendo Switch 2. Nintendo Switch as a Nintendo Switch 2. But man, just look at the size of this thing. Wow, that is big. Pause. I mean, it's Pride Month, so no pause for me. And then even with the stand, it's a plastic, but it's a good plastic. Still a plastic though. And then even with the stand, I definitely prefer this stand to what we had with the Switch 1. As you can see, the Switch 1 is here. Very flimsy plastic. Still gets the job done. But yeah, guys. Oh man, this is incredible. I feel so blessed to actually be able to afford this, you know. And this, I all bought this, and hopefully we get to play this together as gamers. Join the community, join the gang, follow me. I have all my gaming links in the description box down below, all the links to all my gaming accounts. And let me try putting this hand in hand together. And I can obviously see, just look at this. Let's look at this. That's the Switch 1. And here's the Switch 2. It is massive. Switch 1, Switch 2. And then side by side. Just even use my head. You can use my head as an example of just looking at the size of this thing. It is big. Yeah, but there you have it, guys. That's an unboxing. I'm not going to do a full setup process because I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen that. I'm just happy. I can't wait to just play this. Can't wait to just get into the thick of this. Try setting everything up. Definitely going to be more videos about just the performance of the games, how I've been playing them, how I've enjoyed them, and yeah. Also going to make a video about the states of play because I really enjoyed that states of play, especially towards the end. Because Marvel Fighters is incredible. It's incredible. I do want to get Dragon Ball Fighters now because you need to get into the arc system works, baby. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope to hear from you soon. It's a great day. It's a great week. Hope you guys have a great week. If you're getting the Switch 2, enjoy it. If you're not getting the Switch 2 now but can't afford it yet, don't worry. It's all about saving. It's all about being consistent, delayed gratification, and you will get there. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope to hear from you soon. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace out.